Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really cool shadow effect in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new project. I'm using 1080 by 1080 pixels, but you can pick any size you want. Next, upload your image, place it where you want, and remove the background if you need to. Now, go to the Apps section and search for Easy Reflections. This tool lets you add reflections and tweak them however you like. Play around with the direction, the offset, and the opacity until it looks good. Then add it to your design. Position your reflected image nicely on the canvas. To make it even more realistic, add a little shadow under the tire or any part that needs depth. If it still looks off, try changing the background color to match your design vibe. And that's it. Your epic shadow effect is ready to go.